Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel N-Gurukul. Have you ever heard of EEG? EEG stands for electroencephalography, a test that measures the electrical activity of the brain. In this video, we will explore what EEG is, how it works, and what it can tell us about our brain. EEG works by placing electrodes on the scalp that pick up the electrical signals produced by the brain. These signals are then recorded and analyzed to gain insight into the brain activity. EEG recording produces a waveform that shows the electrical activity of the brain over time. These waveforms can be analyzed to determine the frequency and amplitude of the brain's electrical activity. EEG is a non-invasive and safe method for measuring brain activity. It's commonly used in a clinical and research setting to study a variety of brain functions such as sleep, memory, and attention. In recent years, EEG technology has become more accessible to the general public. Companies have developed EEG headsets that consumers can use to track their brain activity and improve their cognitive performance. Some video games even use EEG technology to provide a more immersive experience. The game adapts to the player's brain activity, creating a personalized and engaging gameplay. EEG is also used in the research to study cognitive processes and brain disorders such as the epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. By analyzing EEG data, we can gain insight into the underlying mechanism of brain disorder and develop more effective treatment. EEG is a powerful tool for studying the brain and understanding its complex function. As EEG technology continues to advance, we may unlock even more insights into the mysteries of human brain.
Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.